Hi there, welcome back to the playlist on my Unlock Your English channel, the playlist that is What the F? Okay, all of those confusing, illogical things in English that we're going to look at together. And hopefully I can help clear them up, or at least help you to accept them. Now in this video today, I'm going to ask the question, why the F do we put a preposition at the end of a sentence or at the end of a question? What the F? Why the F? And when the F do we have to do this? One answer to the question could be if the preposition is part of a phrasal verb. Okay, now there's another video, quite a long video on the playlist related to phrasal verbs, and there'll be more on the regular channel as well. So the preposition can go at the end of a sentence if it's part of a phrasal verb. For example, turn the light off is at the end of a sentence. If you don't know the answer to the question, look it up. It's another phrasal verb. Stop talking, shut up. It's a phrasal verb, it's also an imperative. I'm going to the airport to drop them off. So, phrasal verbs, yes, you can put the preposition at the end of a sentence. Alright, but here are a few questions where I've put the preposition at the end of the question, okay? So, what is this used for? What do you make it with? When do you need it by? Now for you, if you translate those questions back into your own language, then it's very possible that the prepositions for, with and by, or the equivalent in your language, may actually go at the beginning of the sentence. Something like, for what is it used? Okay, now, curiously enough, in Old English, that was actually acceptable, but we're talking about hundreds of years ago. But today, the preposition goes at the end of a question. Now, it's also typical to use the preposition at the end of a sentence when you are explaining the use of something, or you're giving a description of something. For example, a pair of scissors is something you cut paper with at the end of the sentence. A cup is something, in this case is a coffee cup, you can drink coffee from. You've got a pen? Well, a pen is something that we write with. Okay, a library is a place we can go to borrow books from. And music is something we listen to. Okay, so as I mentioned, in some languages the preposition could go at the beginning of the sentence, but in English, in these cases, no, put them at the end. Interesting, right? And hopefully not so difficult to remember. So, that was a short video. Join me for some more what the F moments related to the English language. If you have any comments about this video or suggestions for any others, leave some comments below. If you want to share some more examples with other people, use the same space. For now, I'm going to say go practice some English, and I'll see you next time.